Let's learn how to build a tippy-tap. First, prepare 2 long sticks with a pointed bottom. Then another stick, long around 1 meter. A shorter piece of wood, better if it's flat, and some rope around 2 to 3 meters, a jerry can, at least 10 liters, 2 nails of a different dimension, a lighter, some soap, a hoe, and a hammer. First, we need to make some holes in the ground to make a steady structure. Then, we fit the pole into the ground. Connect the horizontal stick to the vertical ones with some rope. Then, tie the jerry can to the stick. In some cases you can fit the stick in the handle of the jerry can, but mine was not big enough. Connect the jerry can to the wood pedal. This one has a hole in it. If you don't have a hole, you can make it, or you can wrap the rope around the stick. Check if the system works and identify the best spot for the hole in the jerry can. Warm the nail with a lighter and make a hole in the plastic. This step takes a bit of time. Connect the soap to the horizontal pole with a rope. And fill the jerry can with water. Try it out. If you push the foot pedal, the water should fall from the hole. You can change the vertical supports. I used chair. Or you can change the container. Thanks for watching, and let us know how you build your tippy-tap.